Okay, here's a better connection of that motor. You can see the, get the focus right here. 86 RPMs, phase 1, Dayton gear motor. You can see how I've attached the Lovejoy there. A little bit of a gap in there. See if we can't get that a little bit better. The one bad thing I have found with this motor is it's a little too small. So it is 1/13 of a horsepower. And so whenever I get some decent meat in there, or any kind of tough meat or big pieces, it'll kind of stall out. And I've got to run the power on and off to keep it going. I do not have a reverse on this. Let's turn it on real fast. See how it's working now? Really like the speed.